Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing resources, close chat, browsers, and overlays so blocktails run smoothly. Once done, set the camera to 60 degrees and cap FPS at 60. This stabilizes motion and reduces micro-distractions. Next, choose one clear objective, crafting, a dungeon run, or a build sequence, and commit. Make sure to mute non-essential notifications and place your phone out of sight. This reduces decision friction. Begin the first active minute with a simple, repeatable. You sustain focus by splitting play into 25 to 30-minute intervals, then taking a 5-minute break. Sprint the hardest steps in the opening 10 minutes to capitalize on peak attention. Once done, simplify the HUD and bind 3 macro keys for repetitive actions so your hands stay fluid. Make sure to disable chat pings and social invites. Interruptions break flow. If you see stutter or rising temps, reduce graphics slightly. This preserves responsiveness and keeps you in the zone. You wrap up by running a quick 3-minute checklist. Save progress, clear inventory, and note the next objective so you can resume without friction. Once complete, close the session cleanly. This protects momentum for later. If the game still lags, lower shadows and post-processing, then restart the client. That usually fixes resource spikes. If your focus breaks, take one deep breath, do a 30-second stretch, and come back to a very small micro-task to rebuild concentration fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.